Alright guys, we got another unboxing slash at least showing you guys what this product is. This is a Y1 E1 1080 home camera. Got this for a present for Christmas from my dad, so I'm hoping that you know, obviously you can use this any style you want. You know, they've apps and it's controlled through I think Amazon Echo and all that stuff. But 1080 HD, 128 degree wide angle. It's got night vision, two-way audio, and baby crying detector. So obviously they're pushing for babies on this one, but this is what the boxing looks like. Like I said, I'm hoping that this one runs off some Z-Waves, and if not that big of a deal. Everything's so app-based these days that you know, I'd be able to watch it whether you got a baby or you want to see what your dog's doing or just monitoring the house. It worked good, but I've got I've got Vivint, so it'd be cool if I could, you know, run the Z-Wave and connect it to my Vivint, so then I'd obviously be able to, you know, run it with my other cameras and stuff like that. So let's see, they got looks like it wants, there you go. They'll have me fooled out by all this stuff going on. So there we go. Nice little camera. Nice and slim. Obviously you could mount it on a wall. I'm wondering if it almost feels like there's a, it almost feels like I could peel that off and make it a sticker, but I know that this part that's meant to keep it nice and soft on the on a desk or a cabinet or something, yeah, it wouldn't mesh, so that's not right. But yeah, I mean, obviously, you know, you can mount it like that all the way back, so pretty cool. Obviously micro SD slot, so peel that back. Obviously you do all that stuff. They got a reset button right there too. And obviously a nice little cover on the front. Obviously plugins, so obviously it's gonna use a cube and a USB. So obviously we go ahead and plug it in, and I'm definitely not the guy to run any technical things with you guys through a video. You would just hear nothing but a bunch of yelling and things not properly working. So we'll at least plug it in for you. Micro SD slot right there. Sorry, I was thinking for some reason they put it back here. All right, so the plug-in is on the bottom. Kind of maneuver it. A little tough to get into, that's for sure, but hopefully it would stay in there and help it prevent it. Sorry, you guys didn't even get to see any of that. But anyway, there you guys go. Obviously a yellow light right now. Let's see if I can give you guys a quick rundown.
Welcome to Ye Home Camera. Waiting to connect.
There you go. Nice. Keep your videos safe. Enjoy unlimited storage. Backup cameras with one subscription. I do remember my dad talking to me about this. They like to get you on a subscription base with this camera if you wanted it backed up. But if you got any large storages or anything like that, you can definitely store it yourself. They're just trying to get a nice subscription program out of you. So anyway, let's go through a quick connection. I'm sure she's going to keep talking to us. Camera kit, manual, get to know the camera, download the app. So obviously you can scan that barcode, download the app, power the camera, preview live footage,
waiting to connect, switch
Wi-Fi networks. So obviously I'm not going to do all this. You guys would just, like I said, you'd hear nothing but a bunch of complaining, I'm sure. But I'm going to go ahead and scan that. We'll download the app so that I could actually then use it to power up. I'm sure then it's going to want to sync to the camera. Hopefully it'll all work good there. Obviously, real quick, I'll show you guys that
waiting to connect.
You can actually press the things on the screen, hold to talk, record videos, mute, show timeline, take photos, full screen, playback history, and alerts. So that's pretty cool. And limited warranty card. So anyway, that's a quick unboxing of it. You can actually see what the product looks like. That's always the toughest thing. Obviously, they do a good picture up there, but it's always fun to see what kind of size it really is. Obviously, pretty decent, pretty good size, pretty small at the same time. Obviously, it has a nice, good viewing angle. But anyway, if you guys got any questions, man, you guys are gonna kill me with the coughing. But anyway, you guys got any questions, let me know. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe to the video, to my channel. I really could use you guys. You got to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can even start to monetize your videos through YouTube. That's the biggest, hardest struggle that they started to implement in 2017, late 2017. It used to be just 10,000 hours or minutes or something like that. So they made it super hard. So I could use every one of you guys out there. But hope you guys like the video. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys this YouTube process, trying to pump out content to you guys so that you guys can, I can hit those requirements before we can make money. And I can show you if we can make money and what it takes. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. As always, feel free to comment, like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.